Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to take the hassle out of lawn care. We found the Orbit B-hyve Smart Sprinkler Controller, and we've included a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Orbit B-hyve Smart Sprinkler Controller? This innovative device is designed to manage your irrigation system automatically, ensuring your lawn and garden receive the right amount of water at the right time. With a capacity to control up to 12 different zones, this smart controller is perfect for both indoor and outdoor installations, making it a versatile solution for homeowners and gardeners alike. Let's talk about some of its standout features. First off, the intelligent irrigation control is a game changer. The Orbit B-hyve uses advanced technology to analyze weather data and adjust your watering schedule accordingly. This means you don't have to worry about overwatering or underwatering your plants, it's all taken care of for you. Next is the easy installation. The controller comes in a protective weatherproof case, making it suitable for various placements, whether you want it in your garage, shed, or mounted on an outdoor wall. Installation is straightforward, which is great for those who may not be particularly handy. One of the most impressive aspects of the Orbit B-hyve is its smart scheduling and management capabilities. You can create custom irrigation schedules right from your smartphone. The app allows you to adjust watering programs, monitor multiple zones, and manage your irrigation system remotely. This feature is particularly beneficial for busy homeowners who may not always be around to manage their lawn care. Speaking of multi-zone coverage, the Orbit B-hyve is specifically designed to coordinate lawn sprinklers and drip systems with precision. Whether you have a small garden or a sprawling landscape, this controller ensures that every area gets the attention it needs without wasting water. Now, who would benefit the most from this product? If you're a homeowner with a garden or lawn that you want to keep healthy and vibrant, this controller is for you. It's also ideal for anyone looking to save time and reduce water consumption. Busy professionals, families, or even those who travel frequently will find immense value in the automated features of this smart controller. Let's explore some practical use cases. For instance, if you have a vegetable garden, you can set a specific watering schedule during the early mornings or late evenings to ensure optimal growth without scorching the plants under the sun. If you have different types of plants, the ability to manage multiple zones means you can tailor the watering needs according to the requirements of each area, whether it's a flower bed, a vegetable patch, or just your lawn. Another great scenario is if you're planning a vacation. With the Orbit B-hyve, you can rest easy knowing that your plants will be watered while you're away. You can monitor and modify the watering schedule from your phone, ensuring that everything stays lush and healthy without your physical presence. Lastly, let's not forget the 2-year limited warranty that comes with the Orbit B-hyve. This warranty protects against any material or workmanship defects, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. In summary, the Orbit B-hyve Smart Sprinkler Controller is a fantastic solution for anyone looking to simplify their lawn care routine while being environmentally conscious. With its intelligent features, ease of use, and smart app integration, it's an investment that can lead to a greener, healthier outdoor space. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.